Yes. So that is what happens. So here we see that it was a time when new cities came up, new industrialized regions developed, railways expanded, and the revolution occurred. Industrial revolution. Industrialization brought men, women, and children to factories. Work hours were often long and wages were poor during that time. Unemployment was common, particularly during times of low demand for industrial goods. Housing and sanitation were problems since towns were growing rapidly. Liberals and radicals searched for solution to these issues. They didn't want the poor people to suffer. That's what I'm saying. Manipulate. They'll take more people, give low payment. You either have to work, otherwise you go. Unemployment. Lot of people were not getting jobs because during times of low demand of industrial goods, people don't want to buy goods. If I don't have the orders to make goods, why should I make? If I don't make, I don't pay you. Housing and sanitation had become a problem. Building houses and sanitation, bathroom, toilets, drains. Since towns were growing rapidly, people were coming in. So the liberals and the radicals, except the conservatives, thought how to solve this problem. Have you seen how the London in England, how people used to sit together in one small room? They'll sit together and drink there, eat there. Everything will go on. Labor class, poor people. People think that there are no people poor in foreign countries. There are much more poorer people in foreign countries than us. But the government takes care of them. Almost all industries were the property of individuals. This is the problem. Liberals and radicals themselves were often property owners and employers. Having made their wealth through trade or industrial ventures, they felt that such effort should be encouraged. That its benefit would be achieved if the workforce in the economy was healthy and citizens were educated. Then their brain started turning. Because of them, we are also getting affected. Why don't we solve this problem? This is the revolution, Change. Why don't we make them healthy? Economy has to be healthy. Money market has to be healthy. Citizens have to be educated. Opposed to the privileges of the old aristocracy had by birth, they firmly believed in the value of individual effort, labor, and enterprise. If freedom of individuals was ensured, if the poor could labor and those with capital could operate without restraint, they believed that societies would develop. Many working men and women who wanted changes in the world rallied around liberal and radical groups and parties in the early 19th centuries. Some nationalists, liberals, and radicals wanted revolution to put an end to the kind of governments established in Europe in 1815. In France, Italy, Germany, and Russia, they became revolutionaries and worked to overthrow existing monarchs. Nationalists talked of revolutions that would create nations where all citizens would have equal rights. After 1815, Giuseppe Mazzini, an Italian nationalist, conspired with others to achieve this in Italy. Nationalists elsewhere, including India, read his writings. Everyone got influenced, inspired, got to know the actual thing. Now, you are a rich person. Suppose Panda is a very rich person. She's got a lot of land. She's opened a factory. And she's taking only her caste people and Hindu people to work. Her known people. Giving them more money and not giving jobs to others. People from outside she is not taking, only within the village. Oh, I'll give only work to them, you all get out. Then another thing she is doing, oh, you are from my village, you will do this in 50 rupees, right? So 50 rupees per hour. Someone else come, oh, do it for 45 rupees per hour. Then you'll kick out the 50 rupees per hour. Oppressing, monarchical, that, what do you say? I don't know the word, where these people, the landlords, used to suppress people, poor people. This had to change, monarchical systems for the rich. The church was also doing this. It has to change. The radicals and liberals and the nationalists started thinking that if we give good work, if we educate the people, if we start taking in all types of things instead of having any diversities or inequality, economy will increase, it will be good for us, and this problem will solve. Everyone will have the equal rights. This started in Italy, and it is followed. Mazzini, Giuseppe Mazzini, an Italian nationalist, conspired with others. He made a chance to achieve this in Italy. Conspiration went on against people. Create new nations, with new ideology, new thinking, common thinking. That is how things go ahead. So including India also, nationalists took the information from his readings, his writings, and they followed him. And this is how nationalism spread all over the world, slowly. Now, the coming of socialism to Europe. What do you understand by socialism? First, you have to understand that. What is equality? What is socialism? Okay. And then you will come to know how socialism came into. I had told you earlier also. It's a political and economic theory that the production, distribution and exchange should be owned or regulated by a community as a whole. Okay, this will come when we read about Marxism. You will come to know on the community on a whole, and it will overthrow capitalism. Monarchical system will be overthrown. The full community is going to take care of the distribution and the exchange of production. Okay. Now communism is different, socialism is different. Socialism is a philosophy, social ownership means production and workers' self-management enterprise. The people working will take care of everything on a whole basis community. Okay. Simple terms, we can say it believes that the means of making, moving and trading wealth should be owned or controlled by the workers. People who agree with this system are called socialists. Correct? Example, if you want, the former Soviet Union, which is Russia now, is an example of socialist system. Cuba is an example of socialist nation. Okay? Got it? Public ownership. The public is the owner of everything. Okay? This is how it happens. So we'll keep it till there. Next class I'll give my explanation to you. I'll read more and then I'll give the explanation. So till then, take care. Be good, be safe, love your parents, respect them as much as you can, listen to them, don't upset them, and teach them some taekwondo also. Punches and kicks, physical activity. Become a coach. for some days. Okay, and take care of yourselves, eat well, sleep well, study well, have fun also, and do whatever you want after you do your studies. Bye bye. God bless.